Hi students, our paper title is Probability and Statistics. The first unit is Elementary Statistics and the unit 2 is Probability Theory. Unit 3 is Random Variables and Distributions. Unit 4 Testing of Hypothesis. And unit 5 is Testing of Significance and Curve Fitting. Now we see the first unit, Elementary Statistics. First we see the statistics definition. In this unit we have mainly statistics, introduction of statistics, measures of variability, arithmetic mean, median, mode, correlation, correlation coefficient, rank coefficient, regression coefficients and their properties, and standard deviation and variation are the main topics we are going to cover here. First we see the definition of statistics. Statistics is a branch that deals with the study of collection, analysis, interpretation, organization and presentation of data. Mainly, this mathematical statistics is defined as the set of equations which are used to analyze the data. Example, statistics used in agriculture, biology, business, hospitals and colleges. Now you see ma, in our college, in civil students, you are civil students, okay ma, the analysis of results, last year results, compare this year result, analyze that means analysis, mainly analysis and also collection. Okay, we use the statistics in so many fields like colleges, organizations, companies, so many employees, their bills, salaries, bills in a bulk manner lo ఎక్కువ members ఉన్నటువంటి organizations లో statistics are used mainly. See the advantages of statistics. It helps to present bulk data in a precise and definite form. Already I have told you. Statistics helps to compare data and draw conclusions. Already I told you this year result, last year result, comparison. So we use statistics like this. Okay, these are the advantages. Limitations of statistics. These are also said to be disadvantages. In mathematics we have exact result out there, but in statistics we don't get exact results, just approximate results. You see that what are the disadvantages or limitations of statistics. Statistics does not study qualitative phenomena. Okay, statistics does not deal with individuals. Statistics can be misused. Statistics laws are not exact. I have already told. We don't get the exact values in statistics. Only experts can make the best possible use of statistics. Okay, statistical data should be uniform and homogeneous. These are the disadvantages. Now you see the frequency. Frequency, see the definition of frequency. The number of times a particular number occurs is called its frequency. Let this series 34, 72, 34 and so on. See, let a particular number, that means 34. How many times? This is 2 times, number of times. Particular number of times occurs. So here 34, we take a particular number 34, it occurs twice in this series. So the frequency of 34 is 2. Similarly 72, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So frequency of 72 is 5. So this, what is the frequency? The number of times a particular number occurs is called frequency. Then frequency distribution table. A frequency distribution table organizes the data into categories to show the frequency of each observation. For example, here we have given a data. The score of a batsman recorded for 10 matches are 34, 72, 34, 25, 50, 72, 72, 72, 72, 50 and 72. Convert this data into table. We frame the table here. First column is observation. Observation is nothing but given data. Okay. Next, the last one is frequency. 25. How many times we get 25 here? 1 time. So frequency is 1. Next, 34. Here you remember ma, to frame this table, before the framing this table, you write the observations in ascending order. Okay, ascending order. So start with 25. 25 one time is there in this series. one time exists here, so frequency is 1. Then 34, already I have told 34 occurs twice, so frequency is 2. Here another column is there, tally marks. 25 occurs one time means frequency is 1, so tally mark 1. Next 34, frequency is 2, tally marks 2. Next number 50. 50 how many times? 2 times. So frequency is 2 and tally marks also 2. Next 72. 72 here 5 times occur. So 5 is frequency and tally marks 5. 4 actually 4 Roman ones and there is some cross. You put cross here. That is the counted as 5th number. Okay ma? So frequency, and this is the frequency distribution table. Next, statistics. There are two major categories in statistics, descriptive and inferential. See here ma, descriptive statistics uses the data to provide the description of the population either through numerical calculations or graphs or tables. See the inferential statistics. Inferential statistics makes inferences and predictions about a population based on sample of data taken from population. Now we see the descriptive, we are going to read descriptive statistics. Here again, this descriptive statistics consists of two categories. The first one is measures of central tendency and the second one is measures of variability. In measures of central tendency, we have three parts: mean, median, mode. These three becomes under the measure of central tendency, and range, mean deviations are under the range of, and standard deviation under the measure of variabilities. In our syllabus we have mean, median, mode and range, standard deviation. Range and standard deviation. We are going to read the mean, median, mode, range and standard deviation. First we see the mean. Mean, it is also known as arithmetic mean. You see this one, for ungrouped data, the mean formula x bar denotes mean of given x size. X size means given observations, x1, x2, x3, just we have given only observations, x1, x2, x3 and so on, like that. Then the mean, arithmetic mean denoted by x bar, which is 1 by n, sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi. This is for ungrouped data when frequency is not given. Suppose frequency is given and with x size fi is also given, then x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi is nothing but n, like n. Only xi given, x bar is equal to 1 by n sigma xi. If fi is also given, frequency is also given, then x bar is equal to, in place of sigma xi, you put sigma xi fi, 1 by n as it is, this is equal to n. So, ungrouped data, we have two formulas here. First one, only xi given, use this one. Fi also given, along with xi, you let this one. Both are for ungrouped data. For grouped data, mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di by n into h, where di is xi minus a by h. ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ హెచ్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు డిఐ ఫార్ములాలో బై హెచ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇక్కడ బై హెచ్ తీసేశారు అంటే జస్ట్ యూ రైట్ ఏ ప్లస్ సిగ్మా ఎఫ్ఐ డిఐ బై ఎన్. యూ రిమెంబర్ లైక్ దట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మీన్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, హియర్ ఏ ఈజ్ అజ్యూమ్డ్ మీన్ and n is total frequency. When grouped data, it is better to use this formula. See the problems on mean. First one, the following is the frequency distribution of a random sample of weekly earnings of 509 employees. Weekly earning given this data, number of employees this. It means weekly earning 10 rupees. How many number of employees? 3 members earning 10 rupees. Next, 6 employee earning 12 rupees. 10 employee earning 14 rupees. Okay ma? Sorry. Now, What is the question here? Find the mean. Mean means here weekly earning, number of employee. Number denotes the frequency. This is Fi. And given one, first column Xi and the second column is Fi. Frequency. Number gives frequency. So first one is Xi, second one is Fi. Now you find Fi into Xi. Fi into Xi means 10 into 3. Fine. Numerator is how many n? 509 employees. So in denominator we have 509, no doubt it is. What about the numerator? Sigma Fi Xi. First you find Fi Xi values and F1 X1. Here 10 into 3, 30. Plus sigma is there. Plus second term F2 X2. 12 into 6, 72. So 30 plus 72. Next plus F3 X3. 14 into 10, 140. Like this you find these product Fi Xi, F1 X1, X2, F2 X2, X3 X3 up to last one Xi Fi. So these are Xi Fi. Fi into Xi. You create another column here Fi into Xi. 30, 72, 140 like this. And add all these values. You get sigma Fi, Xi, 12,806, n is 509. So this value is 25.16, which is mean. This is for ungrouped data. It is for ungrouped data. This formula for ungrouped data where Fi Xi given. Next, see the second question. Calculate mean of the frequency distribution relating to the weight of 120 articles. 120 articles here we have given weight, number of articles. Number of article always gives the number, means this is frequency. But here see the problem, this is Xi. In first problem this is Xi ungrouped, but here Xi is in grouped data. Xi is in grouped data. ఈ grouped data నుంచి you write middle values and write Xi like this single number. ఇక్కడ 2 numbers కనిపిస్తున్నాయి కదా క్లాస్. దీని నుంచి 10 plus 0/2 5 అంటే ఇక్కడ 10 ఉన్నట్టు ఇక్కడ 5. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది 15, 10 plus 20 15. So first you find the mean by direct method. What you get? Sigma Fi Xi by n. Okay, what is Xi? Xi is middle value of this. See the table here. The given class interval is like this. Next mid values are Xi. You treat these are Xi values. These are Xi values. Next frequency. Directly frequency you write frequency directly. What is frequency? 14, 17, 22, 26 like this. So 14, 17, 22, 26. As it is you note frequency from the given data. But Xi values middle of these two. 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30. Okay, these values 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30 like this. So mid value you treat X middle values of these class intervals. This is 5. This is 15, 25, 35, 45 like this. So now we have X values, frequency values. This is group data. So we use the deviation method. That means select Di. What is Di? Xi minus A. What is Xi here? First one X1 minus A. You selected A assumed mean. That is your choice. Mainly middle of these X values తీసుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ 25, 35 both are middle కాబట్టి 25 select చేసుకోండి. That is your choice. You may select 35 also. I am selecting 25. So this is A. Now Fi Xi. Fi Xi means 5 into 14, 70. 15 into 17, 225. Like that remaining values. Here what is Di? Xi minus A. A is 25. Xi first undali. Xi minus A. Here X1 minus A. First one X1 minus 1. D1 ante idi. X1 minus A. What is that? 25. 5 minus 25 minus 20. Next D2 E value. X2 minus A. 15 minus 25 minus 10. Next D3. D3 means X3 minus A అంటే 25 minus 25 0. Next D4 X4 minus A అంటే 34 minus 25 కాబట్టి 10 వచ్చింది. సిమిలర్లీ రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఈ డిఐ వాల్యూస్ మనం ఫర్దర్గా ఈ యూనిట్ మొత్తం యూస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఆల్వేస్ డిఐ ఈజ్ Xi minus A. Now the last column Fi into Di. This is Fi frequency into Di. into di. The first one is f1 into d1 means 14 into minus 20 minus 280. Next f2 d2 17 into minus 10 minus 170. 22 into 0 0. Remaining values like this. Sigma fi di. Here what is sigma fi xi? ఇందాక చెప్పాను కదా టేబుల్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేద్దామని. Direct method sigma fi xi by n 3810, you get this one xi sigma fi xi from table 3810 by 9 తీసుకుంటే you get 31. Direct method లో for this data we get mean is 31.75. So by the another method a plus sigma fi di by n, we have a is 25 sigma fi di. What is sigma fi di? This one 810 by n means 120 members అన్నారు. So 31.75. Exactly we get same value using the different methods. Direct method లో 31.75 by the assumed mean method, that means assumed mean is a. In this method also we get 31.75 is the mean. So we have completed mean. Mainly use direct method sigma fi xi by n. That means for ungrouped data use cheyandi. For grouped data also you may use it. We see this in this one xi fi xi sigma fi by n తీసుకొని చేసిన, లేదా di is equal to xi minus a fi into di తీసుకొని sigma fi di తీసుకొని formula a plus sigma fi di by n. For grouped data you may use this to get the better results. So mean is equal to 31.75. Okay ma. Now our next topic is median. For arithmetic mean, median, mode, first write the ungrouped data, formula for ungrouped data, then write the formula for grouped data. For all these mean, median, mode, for these three topics first you write formula for ungrouped data, then grouped data. For median, ungrouped data, if n is odd, median is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2 item. Okay, if n is even, median is 1 by 2 value of n by 2 item plus value of n by 2 item. For grouped data, this is main formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C by F into C, where L is grouped data means, you see grouped data means 0. In last problem we saw that 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that. That's it, that is grouped data. Okay, in this formula, median formula, L is lower limit of median class. First you select a median class, then L is lower limit of that class. C is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Cumulative frequency is nothing but you add the frequencies one by one. Okay, next n is total frequency. Always sigma fi is n, we know that. You get the number, add the frequencies, lastly the total is n. F, frequency of the median class. First you select median class ma, median class frequency is f. Next height or width of the median class. This is the formula for median for grouped data. For ungrouped data, this one, median is nothing but mid value. See this problem, find the median of the following series. Just we have series given here, only xi values. What is the median? What is the median of this? This is ungrouped data. Median means nothing but mid value. How many number are given here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 items are there. N is equal to 10, which is even. So what are the middle values? 1 2 3 4. First write in the ascending order. First write the numbers in ascending order. We get 10 like this. So 1 to 10 items are there. Here you observe fifth one and sixth one both are middle values. అంటే ఇది fifth term plus sixth term by 2 తీసుకోవాలి. So 140 plus 150 by 2, which is 145. Okay ma, this is for ungrouped data. This is for ungrouped data. This is median. Next, see the next problem. we have given class interval. Calculate median of the following data. Okay, class interval. Class interval means here we have given class intervals like this. This is grouped data. So from this, first you write x size, then here already we have frequency. This is frequency. Now n is equal to sum of frequency, sigma fi అని పెడతాం. Sigma fi ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేస్తే we get sum of frequencies. Okay. Okay ma, frame the table. Frame the table. Here, what is this? Class interval. As it is గా నోట్ చేసాం. Frequency నోట్ చేసాం. Grouped data. For this grouped data, median formula is L plus n by 2 minus C by F into H. Okay. Here, you select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns are there. So, this one or this one, third one or fourth one or middle. You select this class interval, which is the median class. 35 to 45 class, median class. What is the lower limit of this median class? This is the median class. ఇదంతా median class అమ్మా. ఇదంతా ఒక లైన్ తీసుకుంటే నోట్బుక్లో నోట్ చేసేటప్పుడు this is the median class. Median class. L is in this formula, L is lower limit of median class, which is 35. L is 35. Next, frequency, median class. This is median class. Frequency of median class is F. This one. ఈ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీలో మీడియన్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నది ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని ఎఫ్గా తీసుకుంటాం 19. నెక్స్ట్ క్యూములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ 4, యాడ్ దిస్ 11 టు దిస్ 4, యూ గెట్ 15. నెక్స్ట్ 15కి నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ 19 యాడ్ చేసామంటే 34. నెక్స్ట్ 34కి నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ 14 యాడ్ చేస్తే 48. 48 ప్లస్ 0 మళ్ళీ 48. 48 ప్లస్ 2 50. ఫైనలీ యూ గెట్ సిగ్మా ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ వస్తుంది లాస్ట్ కాలం. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ క్యూములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ. వాట్ ఈస్ సీ హియర్? క్యూములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అంటే ఈ క్యూములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఆఫ్ ద క్లాస్ ప్రిసీడింగ్ ద మీడియన్ క్లాస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మీడియన్ క్లాస్ అని చెప్పాం. మీడియన్ క్లాస్, దీనికి ప్రిసీడింగ్ మీడియన్ క్లాస్ అంటే పైది. ఈ పై దాంట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి సిఎఫ్ తీసుకుంటాం సిగా. ఓకే, క్యూములేటివ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీలో ఒకదాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం. అది ఎలా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే సి లాగా ఈ మీడియన్ క్లాస్, ప్రిసీడింగ్ క్లాస్ ఆఫ్ మీడియన్ క్లాస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ మీడియన్ క్లాస్, ప్రిసీడింగ్ మీడియన్ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ దిస్. దాని బిఫోర్ ఉన్నది ప్రిసీడింగ్ మీడియన్ క్లాస్. దీనిలో సిఎఫ్ వచ్చేసి సిగా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం. హైట్ మీన్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ 2 numbers. So H is 10. Substitute all these values in this formula. We get median 40.26. 40.26. So this is the median. This is the median. Now we have finished 2 topics, arithmetic mean and median. Arithmetic mean and median. Okay.